I gotta wait for better days. It's all starting now. It's not too late, we can be saved if we make the time. It's gonna be alright. Had a clue, now I got a feeling. Just gotta hold on tight. Tonight.
Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a quick cleanup of my refrigerator. This is something that I have to do quite often because it does get out of order pretty quickly. I also got some new food that I need to get organized into this fridge, so I hope that you get some motivation from this to clean out your fridge if that's something that you need to do as well.
Just hold your breath and then you'll be stronger. I wanna feel if this is real. It's easy if we try. 'Cause every night and every day I wanna run and die. It's gonna be alright. Had a clue, now I got a feeling. Just gotta hold on tight. Tonight. We're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath and then you'll be stronger. Gotta wait for better days. It's all starting now. It's not too late, we can be saved. We're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. Don't break out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath and then
Although I love this drawer, things were getting lost in it, so I created little compartments within this one space, and that has really helped things to stay a lot more organized.
No need to look back, this too shall pass. I want you to stay around. I've tried so hard to see what holds you back. You don't have to be alone. If you don't know by now, it's all in your head. These walls will break you down if you can't let go. When it all comes tumbling down, I'll try to pick you up. I know time will tell you why. Sun will shine again tomorrow.
I do like to buy my cheese in a big 5-pound bag, and that's because I don't like to go to the store very often, so this 5-pound bag will last us a good while. What I've been doing is putting it into this Dollar Tree Snapware, which I absolutely love, and that helps me not have to be carrying out a big bag out of the fridge each time I need to get a little bit of cheese.
Show me what you're running from. Take another chance, I'll prove you wrong. I will never let you stop. If you don't know by now, it's all in your head. These walls will break you down.
So that was pretty gross, but I wanted to show you that I am just like any of you. Things get out of hand, mold grows in my fridge, and it was just something that I needed to get done and cleaned up. I was out of town for about a month and a half over the summer, and getting back into town, I've been home for about a month now. It's been really hard for me to find my routines again. As it is, just getting into a routine is something that is hard for me and takes a long time. So I've been back for a month. I have not found any routines in my home, but I'm taking it day by day because I'm one of those people that can stress out pretty easily, and I don't want to do that to myself. I like for cleaning to be something that's enjoyable, so I'm not going to stress myself out. I'm just going to slowly get to where I need to be. You may notice I have a ton of eggs on my counter, and that is because I had just gone grocery shopping and they were on sale. I think they were 88 cents for the 18 pack, which is an amazing deal. My kids do not eat cereal for breakfast. They like to eat eggs. They will not eat the cereal even if I serve it to them. They really make me work in the mornings. So I have to buy a ton of eggs because we go through them so quickly.
I hear thunder, I hear lightning, I hear wonders, and everybody wanna go, but no one really cares to know. I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide away from it. A part of you is always standing in the rain, but I was never your ball and chain. A part of me was always trying to believe you were the only air to breathe. I stood against the wind. You hurt me, I found love again. Even as a friend, everything must end. When you worry, I worry. It's no hurry, 'cause we got all the time we need.
And just like that, my fridge is back in order, nice and organized the way that it should be. But definitely it won't be like this for much longer. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you are looking to follow someone who gives you real life cleaning motivation, definitely follow me because this is a struggle for me. Cleaning is not something that comes easy. It's something that I have to work for. So let's find peace in our homes together because that is definitely something that I'm looking for. I hope you have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
It's no hurry, 'cause we got all the time we need. If we're in love, then we'll succeed.